Look at fun tools everywhere. So today we have some toys. Yay!
We have some toys for you guys. Yadiel, show them your toys. What is that?
A Mario and Stick-a-Mine.
Can I see the Mario toy? Whoa! Which one do you want to open first?
A Minion.
The Minion one? Okay, let's get started. Ooh.
That's the extra prize.
The egg surprise? Wow. Ooh, it looks pretty cool.
Let's open.
Let's open.
That's the chocolate.
Mmm. Shake, shake.
I heat it. Whoa.
What's that? Whoa, can I see that?
It's gonna eat.
It's a Despicable Me toy. It's like a marshmallow. Try it. Like candy.
It's good.
It's good? Do you want to open up your Mario?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see what the Mario is about.
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans? How do you know this is a jelly bean?
It's good.
You like jelly beans? Wow, show them the egg. Whoa. Ooh.
A jelly bean.
Wow, so many toys inside. There's so many candies. Look at this, you guys. Wow, there's lots of jelly beans. Loads of jelly beans. Oh my goodness, the list keeps on going. There's more. Whoa, and more.
What is this?
And more.
What is this?
These are Tangy Candy. It says Tangy Candy on it. They're heart candy.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
So much candy inside. This is awesome.
It's good.
It's good? Okay. I think this is going to be for our video. This is going to be it for our video. Do you want to tell them to subscribe, comment, and like?
Bye.
Say subscribe.
Say subscribe.
Comment. And like.
See you later next time. Bye.
Bye.